Hello YouTube, YD586 here, and this morning I'm going to show you how to use the iPod auxiliary jack, as you can see down in there. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I've got my iPod Touch 6th generation here. And as you can see on the screen here, it should give you a little pop-up. Well, what's it doing? Unless it's being... Okay, come on. There we go, connecting. Alright. As you can see, it's already playing some music from my iPod. That's stored on the device. If you want to go to another track, just use the tuning knob. And then, as you can see, it done it right there. And then you can select any kind of music you have on your device. So, for example, let's select this. And as you can see, it'll mirror right there on the screen. Come on, camera, focus. And my camera's got low battery, so I'm going to go ahead and make this quick. As you can see, the volume control does not work on the device. It's all from your unit right here with the volume knob, or you can use the steering wheel controls. Alright, let's turn that down before I get a copyright strike. So, to get out of this, you either unplug it or hit the eject. Let's hit the eject. Alright, and then it disconnects, and then you're good to go. So that's it.